Hello everyone, my name is Nicole C. Calvario from the said 2C, and now we're going to discuss the SAMR model. The SAMR model is a tool that helps teachers know how to use technology correctly in class. It guides teachers so they don't use gadgets for fun, but to make learning better and easier for children. The SAMR model is a guide that helps teachers use technology in a smarter way and creative way. It shows teachers how to make lesson better by choosing the right kind of technology. With this model, teachers can improve activities, make learning easier, and even create new ways for students to learn. And now, here is the meaning of SAMR model. The S means substitution. The A means augmentation. The M means modification. And the R means redefinition. First, what is substitution? Substitution technological tools are used as direct substitute to traditional. For example, in traditional board, we use the black or green board, while today we already use the whiteboard. Another example, before we use the manila paper to write the information, while today we use television to present our topic or discussion. Next is the augmentation, using technology to enhance the learning process. For example, learn instead of writing a document in a paper, we use the laptop or computer to write the document and important information. Next is the modification. Technology acts as a significant redesign of learning tasks and activities. For example, the collaboration through online, because today the technology is all over the world. We must communicate to them, specifically if it is important to the use of technology. The communication is continuously it is if the person you talk to is on the other country or place. Next is the redefinition. It is the highest level of SAMR model. Technical enables the creation of new learning experiences that we previously inconceivable. For example, presenting through online instead of presenting it face to face. We use technology to perform the presentation through the person is in the other country or places. We use the platform of YouTube, Zoom, and other online meetings app. And again, what is the SAMR model? S is for substitution, A is for augmentation, M is for modification, and R is for redefinition. Now, in the conclusion of our discussion, the SAMR model provides a valuable framework for educators to integrate technology and learning practice effectively. And in today's world and generation, we need to study the technology very well for us to know what is the proper and right way in using technology. That's all. Thank you.